Chemical reactions in haloarenes. Already we were discussed nucleophilic substitution reaction. The next is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here the haloarenes undergoes usually the electrophilic reactions of the benzene ring, such as the halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, and the Friedel-Crafts reactions. So halogen atoms, besides being slightly deactivating, is ortho and para directing, that is ortho and para directing. Therefore further substitution occurs at the ortho and para position with respect to the halogen atom. So the ortho para directing influence of the halogen atom can be easily understood if we consider the resonating structure. See, look at the resonating structure. Here the presence of halogen. So they have the electron pair like this. Now the benzene ring, the first resonating structure, the lone pair, this electron pairs attached here. So this bond is shifted here, and the resonating structure will be here, become a double bond, and the halogen atoms having the positive charge. Then this negative charge is shifted here, and the remaining bond like this. Then the next resonating structure, this bond is shifted here and this bond is shifted here. So it will become the double bond halogen atom with positive charge, and the bond is shifted here, like this. Then further the next resonating structure, this bond is shifted here and this bond is shifted to the ortho position. Double bond X plus like this. Then the bond like this. Then finally this bond is shifted here and this bond is stabilized the positive charge, and you will getting the resonating structure like this. Sorry, not double bond, only a single bond. So due to resonance, the electron density increases more at ortho and para position. See here the ortho position, the electron density increases ortho and the para position, not in the meta direction. Anywhere look at here, the meta positions are does not involving. So the further the halogen atoms, because of its minus I effect, that is negative inductive effect, has some tendency to withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. So result, the ring gets somewhat deactivated as a compared to benzene, and hence the electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes occurs slowly and require more drastic condition as the compared to those in the benzene. First we will discuss the halogenation reaction. Here halogenation, the chlorobenzene. When the chlorobenzene treatment with this, chlorine, this is electrophile, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, sorry, FeCl3, iron 3 chloride. So you will get two products. That para compound is major one and the ortho one is a minor product. One chloro, and this here one chloro also attached. So 1,4 dichlorobenzene. This is a major one. 1,4 dichlorobenzene. So this is a major, and then the byproduct next is ortho. It is 1 comma 2. This is 1 comma 2 dichlorobenzene. So this is a minor one. So para directing group, that is compounders, always gives a major product, and the ortho is a minor one. The next is nitration. The same reaction, that is the same reactant, the chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene undergoes a nitration process, that means using of the concentrate sulfuric acid and the concentrate nitric acid, and the concentrate sulfuric acid, H2SO4. You will getting that is 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene and 1 chloro 4 nitrobenzene, which is a major compound. Here 1 chloro Cl react, that's nitration means NO2 is attached here. This is 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene. So this is the ortho one, so that minor, and another one product is, that is the major one, 1 chloro 4 nitrobenzene. This is 1 comma 4, 1 chloro 4 nitrobenzene. So this is the major one. Always the para product is a major one. Next is a sulfonation. Chlorobenzene react with concentrate sulfuric acid. On heating, you will be getting chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. That is, one is ortho and another one is para product. Chlorobenzene react with concentrate sulfuric acid. On heating, will get ortho and the para compound, that is the sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is SO3H. So this is 2 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. This is a minor one because ortho compound. The major one is para compound, that is SO3H this is a major one. This is 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. So this is halogenation scene, nitration over, then sulfonation is over. The next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Chlorobenzene react with methyl chloride. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, AlCl3, to form 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, ortho and the para product, 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. So this is the minor one. 2-methyl benzene. Then the major one is 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. So this is the major one. Then react with acetyl chloride. Chlorobenzene react with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride CH3COCl. In the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, you will be getting 2-chloroacetophenone and the 4-chloroacetophenone, ortho and the para compound. So here the para compounds getting always a major one. Use a major product. This is 2-chloroacetophenone. Minor one, and the major one is 4-chloroacetophenone. So this is called a Friedel-Crafts reaction. The next is reaction with metals. Here two name reactions are involved. One is Wurtz-Fittig reaction, another one is Fittig reaction. The Wurtz-Fittig reaction means mixture of alkyl halide and the aryl halides gives an alkyl arene. When treated with the sodium in the presence of dry ether is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. For example, the aryl halide and the sodium metal and alkyl halide. There is any alkyl halide or X. So that is mixture of aryl and alkyl halide in the presence of sodium and dry ether. You will be getting hydrocarbon, that is aryl arene, alkyl arene. Then the product is salt. Next, Fittig reaction, the aryl halides react with the sodium metals. For example, 2 moles of the aryl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. You will be getting that the two aryl groups joined together. It will get diphenyl or biphenyl. This is diphenyl. So this is called Fittig reaction. So Wurtz-Fittig means mixture of alkyl and aryl. Fittig means only aryl, that is aryl halides. Okay, thank you student.